Hey folks, today we're taking this worn kitchen table and turning it into a fantastic gaming one. I found this table in the back of the garage and I think it'll be perfect for this project. It can be used for any game and any game lovers. But today I'll put special touch and attention to Talisman, the Magical Quest game, 5th edition. For those of you who are not familiar with this is a fantastic adventure board game. Up to 6 players compete to see who will become the new ruler of the land. My friends and I are very excited to see this table finished so that we can play this game together. I'll give this table a beautiful makeover for some beautiful game nights. So let's get started. First, we start with sanding. If you want a clean job, sanding is essential. It gives a nice smooth finish, it looks good, it's easy to paint, and it prevents little splinters. That's one step closer we are to our game table. We just finished sanding, so the next step is to cut this up with a saw. Just keep in mind that this kind of saw is one of the more dangerous tools in the workshop, so just pay attention to where your hands are. Make sure you don't take any particular risks with this.
So the pieces are cut, and now the table's really going to start taking shape. I'm really excited to see how this turns out.
So now we're going to make the slide out cup holders. It's a few pieces of wood right here like this. Something about like that. I have a ready-made one right here. You can kind of see what it looks like. And it just slides in like that. Don't miss any turns. Cup holders are a critical addition to the perfect Talisman game table, so players can stay focused on the intense game. Apply wood glue and clamp tightly. Check alignment before tightening screws to avoid a misstep. Our table is assembled now. It's glued, clamped, and all that's left is for it to dry, and then after that I'm going to put stain on it. So there's just one last little bit of cutting to do. I'm going to draw the profiles for these cup holders and then use a router to cut them out. The sound of this tool isn't nearly as annoying as landing on the portal of power and realizing you forgot to grab a talisman. In a moment, I'm going to stain different parts of this table, but first I need to put some masking tape down just to protect the parts that I don't want any stain on. Now it's time to stain the wood. I've already put tape down on the table underneath to protect it from the stain. We're staining this part, and also this part, and back here. I don't need to put any stain here, but since I'm covering it with cloth, I don't need to put any masking tape on it either, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Wear gloves because it gets all over your hands, and be careful where you put your clothing. You don't want to get it on your clothes either. It gets on everything. Try to put a thinner layer of stain on here. We'll be wiping it off later, so that'll make our job easier later if you just use a thinner layer. Now it's time to spray lacquer on here. I think it'll take maybe 2 cans. I don't know exactly how much, but anyway, I have a backup here, and be sure to wear an organic filter, not just a regular particulate filter. Organic filter, this filters out the gases. We are almost done with this table. To light up our board game parties all the more, here are some warm 12-volt LEDs, just some standard ones with adhesive backing. And I'm just going to install them under the edge here. And it'll look pretty cool, I think. Now to add a little bit of luxury to everyone's fingers, here's some nice soft fabric that I will glue down for the players' mats and also the main board game table. And it should also look really nice, actually. I love how the gaming table looks already. So since this is for the 5th edition of Talisman, I have an emblem here with a logo on it for the middle, and also some QR codes for my friends so they can see the instructions easily. The table is finally finished. Check out these features. Dividers for game tokens and other game pieces. This nice carpet for your fingers. Cup holders for your drinks. And places to put snacks. And now for the grand reveal. So this was the project. I'd love to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This board game table was totally worth it. Can't wait to see you next time.